Well, hello again, everybody. It's time for another edition of What We're Cooking. I'm Al.
I'm Nick.
And today, Nick, what are we cooking?
Chicken.
How are we cooking it?
Roasted.
Yes, and?
Zucchini and a salad.
That's right. So let's get started with the chicken. It's very simple. There's a couple of different ways I like to roast chicken. This one is a little more the spur of the moment. There's, if you go online and look at Zucchini Cafe cookbook.
But this chicken is more made by Mazio's, which is
we bought it from
Mazio, which is by a butcher at Guido's.
Yes, in Pittsfield, Massachusetts.
And he has his own restaurant.
His one of his family members has a restaurant. Yes, very good. So just put some olive oil on this. Now I'm going to put a little salt, liberally sprinkled with salt, and some pepper. Meantime, I'm preheating the oven at 375. What's your favorite part of the chicken, Nick? Leg? Thigh?
The leg.
The leg. You're a drumstick guy.
The drumstick.
You like the drumsticks.
And Mammers, what's your favorite part of the meat of the chicken?
I like the thigh.
Okay.
Thigh. All right, that's right. I like the thigh too. It's dark meat. It's succulent. One of my favorite parts to cook are the chicken thigh. Cast iron skillet. And put that in the oven.
How long are we going to let that cook for?
Well, I'm going to cook for about 45 minutes or so, and while we're doing that, we're going to prep our veggies. I'm going to do zucchini. Very simple prep of just dicing it up, and then a little saute in some olive oil, some the sea salt that we like that has the herbs in it from Italy, Dario the Butcher, and we'll probably put some red chili flakes on this too. Let's check our chicken. How's that look?
That was very nice. I gotta say, Mazio did a nice job, mate. Selling us this chicken.
Take some of the pan juices here and baste the chicken. We're gonna take our zucchini. Go. And again, a little bit of the salt from Dario the Butcher from, what's that country? Italy, yep. And some
red chili flakes. Is dinner about ready then?
It's getting close. We'll be ready in about 5 to 10 minutes.
Wow.
So our zucchini is just about done. Now let's check on the chicken. Oh yeah. Let this rest for a few minutes. And so that's what we're cooking tonight. I'm Al.
I'm Nick.
And that's a wrap.